Imagine a world where your agreements are coded into the very fabric of a digital network. Blockchain promises a radical transformation, but what does it mean for the law? Today, we unravel how this technology is rewriting the rules of engagement. Welcome to the frontier of cryptocurrency, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins operate in a decentralized realm. But as the value of these digital assets skyrockets, so does the confusion around their legal status. Could we be witnessing a revolution in financial law? As the adoption of blockchain technology escalates, so do the questions surrounding regulatory frameworks. How do we establish laws that not only protect users but also facilitate innovation? Let's explore the tension between regulation and decentralization. Did you know that over 70% of countries are still drafting legislation on cryptocurrencies? The race is on for governments to keep up with this fast-paced technological evolution. What are the implications for constitutionality and individual rights? In the world of contracts, smart contracts are the game changers. These self-executing contracts bring transparency and efficiency, but do they remove the need for legal intervention altogether? Let's break down how they work and their implications in legal disputes. Surprisingly, while smart contracts automate processes, they can also lead to challenges in fairness and equity. How do we address potential biases in the code? This pressing question highlights the need for a thoughtful approach to blockchain law. Before we dive deeper, if you find this discussion enlightening, please like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of blockchain and law. Now, back to our discussion on regulatory frameworks. As we consider the future, regulatory authorities are starting to establish guidelines for trading and investment in digital assets. How will these regulations adapt to ever-evolving technologies? Let's take a closer look at current trends shaping the law. But here's a thought: could the very code that powers blockchain lead to a more efficient legal system? If laws were programmed into blockchain, could we minimize disputes and enhance justice? Join me as we explore this provocative idea. Now, with all these innovations come unique challenges. Issues like hacking, fraud, and unauthorized transactions are rampant in the crypto space. How can the law safeguard users against these risks? Let's discuss the evolving measures being explored. As we wrap up, it's clear that the path forward for blockchain and law is complex yet promising. With thoughtful regulations and innovative solutions, we may very well see a new era of legal frameworks. What are your thoughts on the future of blockchain and law? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. In our next video, we will delve into the potential of NFTs in the legal world and how they could reshape ownership rights. Stay tuned!